Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Bumble account. First, launch up Bumble and then come here and click on your profile icon at the bottom left. And then I want you to click on the settings cog at the top right, okay? Click on this option right here and this will open up your settings. What you want to do guys is scroll all the way down and click on delete account. Okay. And now you can go ahead and click on the reason. Okay. Let's just say found someone. Right. And if you want, you can go ahead and hide your profile as well. Right. That is one option. Or what you can do, guys, is completely delete your account. So click on delete account and you just need to type in delete to confirm. Okay. I'll type in delete and then click on confirm, and our Bumble account is going to be permanently deleted. Okay, Bumble will permanently remove your profile and the data from the app. And if you change your mind though, guys, you have 28 days to contact Bumble to reactivate your account. And after 28 days, you can no longer regain access to your deleted account. Really that easy and simple.